This is the first in a series of vlogs from our travels island hopping off the west coast of Scotland. In this video, we leave Ardrossan port to take the ferry to the Isle of Arran.
Hi, we're Callum and Tash and Rosie, and we quit our 9 to 5s to live and travel full-time in our DIY van conversion. Follow our life on the road and subscribe to our van life travel channel.
Stood out in the rain while she tries to find our waterproofs. If your head wasn't screwed onto your shoulders, you'd forget it.
So we've just left Brodick. We drove 10 minutes south to get to our first destination, which is Glen Ashdale Waterfall.
We thought Glen Ashdale Falls was that tiny little thing, and I was like, oh, it was in Wales, and the ones we went to are much more impressive. Look at this thing.
It's a double cascade.
What does that mean?
It means it's like a double waterfall. Look, can't you see? You can just see the top bit. Oh god. Oh, there's not enough trees to hold on to. Oh, we found shelter. Lovely. Room for one more.
We've just spotted a viewing deck that sticks right out, so we're gonna get on that. That was amazing. Like, if you ever come to the Isle of Arran, Glen Ashdale Falls is the place to go. Yeah,
we thought we were going to go see like one waterfall, and we thought it was that first one.
Yeah.
And oh my god, that place is amazing.
That was a granddaddy of a waterfall. We've arrived at King's Cave car park, and just whilst it's super quiet and the rain stopped, I'm gonna take this opportunity to walk Rosie. We've got about 2 hours of light left, so we need to go to these caves.
There's a set of 3 caves along this coastline. King's Cave is the last one, so we are going to check this one out first. It's just like in Wales when we went to the Four Falls Walk. Spider. I think we need a light up here. It keeps going. Should I go in?
Yeah.
I won't be able to get too far, I'll get stuck.
With that butt of yours.
It does keep going, you know. Gosh. I won't be able to get through there though. I'll get stuck. Oh, it's such a shame, I'd love to see.
Jesus. There was a bloody pigeon up there and it just flapped its wings and flew out and it scared the crap out of me. Oh, that made my heart go. We then made our way to the north of the island to Goat Fell, the island's highest peak, from Sannox.
It's a really nice day, so with the nice weather we should be able to get some nice views from the top.
Not 2 minutes after we said it was nice weather.
The weather has took a turn for the worst. It's windy and raining, so the waterproofs are coming out.
It's sort of exposed here at the moment though, to be fair. It's getting pretty steep now.
It is. Crumbly rock.
Massive rock over my head. Yeah, look, it's tough.
Oh god, I'm gonna cause a landslide.
Alright, so we're at the port of Locaranza, which is in the north of the Isle of Arran, and we're about to make our way to Glen, which is in Kintyre. So that is the next stop.